Hi there! Building an online store is a complex, multi-step process. From designing a stunning storefront to make your products irresistible to shoppers and ensuring your store is visible everywhere your customers are. It's a lot to handle. That's why we built Tapita, a complete, all-in-one solution for merchants who want to build, grow, and scale faster. Trusted by more than 30,000 merchants worldwide, with over 15,000 active users across the globe. From the Americas, through Europe, all the way to Asia, Tapita empowers businesses everywhere to thrive. So, what makes Tapita the go-to choice for global merchants? It's the all-in-one solution built to support every stage of your e-commerce growth. Let's start with the foundation, designing your storefront. Your storefront is more than just a website. It's the first impression that shapes every customer's experience. Tapita helps you create stunning, modern layouts designed to convert, fully responsive designs that adapt seamlessly to desktop, tablet, and mobile. Optimized for speed that keep your visitors engaged. With your storefront ready to impress, the next step is optimizing how your products sell. Tapita helps you turn your product pages into powerful sales drivers. Combine listings to showcase variants clearly and attractively. Use dynamic color swatches and options to enhance product appeal. Improve shopping experience. Boost conversions with smart product grouping and presentation. Put your products in the spotlight they deserve. Your store is live. Your products are ready. Now it's time to scale. Tapita gives you the tools to turn visibility into traffic and traffic into sales. SEO optimization. On page optimization, we're talking keyword precision, clean heading structures, internal links, and lightning fast load speeds, all built right into your store design. Off-page optimization. We're talking credible backlinks, all reinforcing your brand's reputation and driving your rankings higher. Visualize performance gains in real time with SEO scores that keep rising. Content creation. With Tapita, your blogs come fully optimized, clean headers, compelling meta descriptions, and engaging visuals. Drop shoppable product cards right into the flow, so readers don't just scroll, they shop. Great content doesn't just inform, it converts. Google Shopping integration. Your customers are already searching. Tapita gets you seen. With one click, your products are automatically listed on Google Merchant Center, ready to appear on Google Shopping. Tapita integrates AI across all solutions, always evolving, always ahead. AI store design. See a landing page build itself, section by section, images, text blocks, collections, all generated and laid out in real time. AI blog generation. Generate fully optimized blog posts with clear headings, compelling meta descriptions, and engaging content designed to turn visitors into customers. AI SEO Auditor. Scan your site instantly. Catch missing headings, alt text gaps, broken links, and other SEO blockers, so you can fix issues before they impact your rankings. Tapita, your digital growth partner. Beyond powerful tools and smart solutions, Tapita builds a space to connect, learn, and grow together with the e-commerce community. Tapita is launching a new annual workshop series designed to spark growth and innovation in e-commerce. This series is all about driving digital growth and innovation, building a thriving e-commerce community, adapting to the future of commerce. This year, we kick off with our very first edition, Hands-on E-commerce Workshop, Crafting Strategies for Real-World Success. So, let's get started.